Hi guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apologize in advance. This is my third time trying to record this video, so let's get it over and done with real quick. So this month's box is for the month of December 2018. Last box of the year. Mine weighed I think it was 0.0965. We're gonna roll with that because I think that sounds pretty accurate. And I figured it was gonna be on the box here somewhere and I don't see it. Where do you girls read it? Like where? Because I don't see it. So anyways, some of them were about to fall out. I've tried all the products that are in this box, all an exception of one product. This is the box that I wanted. I got box number two. And without further ado, let's jump right in, shall we? If y'all hear my son screaming in the background, I am so sorry. This month's theme is the sea sun. I think it's so super cute. I think it's like Christmas in the summer or something like that. I don't know. But basically, the first product that I've got is this pretty vulgar setting powder in Matte About It in 147. This one, where's it at? Okay, this one retails for $32. That's great because this box is $21 paying for itself. I know I say that every month and it probably drives y'all nuts. All right, second product that we got is this Detox Cosmetics. Yeah, Detox Mask, Charcoal Mask. I have not tried this out. I'm kind of scared with charcoal because I'm starting to think that it just burns my face and I'm using it regardless because I'm like, maybe it's working. I don't know. But anyways, who knows? I might just give this away. I am not sure. I'm gonna try like different charcoal products and almost every single one of them burns my face. So if this one doesn't, I want something to work for me, you guys. I just absolutely do. This mask retails for $30. This is worth more than the box. Holy crap. All right, second product. All right. My baby's upset. He's already ate, he's been changed. He's probably just wanting a nap. All right. The third one, I took it out of the packaging, is this Tardis, excuse me, sir, is this Tardis Shimmering Lip Paint in the color Insta-Famous. So super pretty. I'm actually gonna put it on right now for you guys. I'm not gonna put on the lip liner. I got a lip liner. This retails for $20. Oh my god, my hair. You know what? And this doe foot applicator does not pick up a lot, so you have to dip in quite a bit. Quite a bit. It's so pretty. I don't really like lip glosses, but the smell of this smells so good. It smells like cupcakes and coffee. And if y'all know anything about me, I love coffee. Y'all excuse my mustache, but yes. Oh, and there's food in my nose. What the heck? This is gross. Okay. Real life BB. Anyways, that retailed, yeah, I already said $20. Moving on. I am the worst. All right. The lip liner, Bodyography for $12 in the color Timber. So this is what it looks like. Very, very rough on the lips. I swear it like made my lips chap. Oh my god. It's like even hurting my hand with eczema. That's what it looks like. Really pretty color, a nude. But it's just very painful. And who wants lips like that? Okay, this is my favorite product in the box. Y'all probably already know it because y'all have seen tons of video on YouTube because us girls, we get so excited. We're just like, what am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? Mine ended up being a PYT pink straightener. Can you talk? Okay. I'm really sorry that I'm like going really fast. It's just, I don't have very much time with a toddler and, or an infant, yep. And just so super cute. I had to put this on just so y'all could see how it was prepackaged. You do get a little slip of the limited warranty for it. I don't know if I'll use it, not sure. But anyways, this little pouch, it feels like felt. I think that's what it's called. And it's so super tiny but cute. And I'm kind of glad that I got it. No, I'm not kind of glad. I am glad that I got it because now I can straighten these little guys out because they're, look at this. I know this is not cute, guys, okay? I don't think it looks cute. But I'm gonna go ahead and straighten these hairs out so that y'all can see how this straightener works, okay? Yeah, I hope none of my neighbors pull up because I am right in front of the window, like entering my house. And I'm gonna try to be very careful because my son is here and I don't want him pulling on it, so I'm just gonna hang on to it. I think this heats up to 250. Y'all like that second chin? Sexy. This does not have any heat settings. This will just heat up on its own. It doesn't have like a lock thing of any kind. And the switch button is right there. Please excuse my nails. I know they're gross. So yeah, I'm just gonna hang on to this. My baby's right here. And I'm just gonna wait for it to heat up a little bit. I think I'm just gonna leave my hair like this for the day because, I mean, it's fine. I hope I don't get copywritten for that song in the background. Let me just pause this. It's heating up pretty fast, so we're just gonna wait for a couple of more seconds. Background noise, overexposed, food on my boob, that's cute, yep. All right, we're gonna go ahead and jump right in with this little guy. I honestly don't know how many inches he is or whatever, but yeah. Yes, I pull my skin, I know that looks disgusting, but it's fine. This will probably be the last time y'all see this anyways. Okay. So yes, it straightens out. I mean, these little hairs are really short and I don't know how else to style them, so this is just gonna have to work. Ew, what is that? Did I get food in my hair? Food in my nose, food in my hair. Cause I'm a classy girl. All right, anyways, before I freak out my neighbors and stuff like that, I think this is it. I'm just gonna do that part. There's nothing I can do about this. I mean, I think there's quite a bit of women that lose their hair after having a baby, and mine is obviously just gonna keep falling out, even though my baby's about to turn 1. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. It's not a review, I guess, but my unboxing. So I hope y'all come back next time. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. And maybe stick around for January. I'm hoping to get another one because I hear good things about January. So yeah. You're at a 7, come down to a 2. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, bye. Okay, so maybe today wasn't the best day to record because I just looked back at the video. And you guys, there was food in my right lash. Why didn't y'all say nothing? Y'all were probably thinking it and probably like screaming through the screen like, girl, you have food in your hair. You have food on your lash. You have food on your nose. Anyways, for real this time. Bye guys.